Yeah, yeah. I like Nissans.
Let me go get key.
Okay. All right, guys. I'm here in Massachusetts. My transporter. He went and got the car and brought it to his drop yard.
Disconnect better because I think the light's on or something.
Okay. So is it?
Disconnect. Yeah.
Okay.
What did you say again?
Oh no, I was saying, is it charged up?
I don't know. I mean,
You-
that was dead on the auction.
You jumped
So
it off.
I jump it out, drive off. I mean, and
Okay.
disconnect
I got you.
better. So check it out, and
Okay.
if not, I have a dumper.
Okay.
It's open. I think.
All right.
Be careful. Don't
Yeah.
open. Looks like new. Beautiful. I like rims.
Yeah, man. It's dead as a doorknob. I got it.
Let me try. Hold on. Let me connect.
Oh, okay. The battery's not connected.
How about now?
Okay. There we go. What in the heck is this? Alright, guys. Gonna get the car and drive it over. And load it. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, guys, I got the car loaded on the trailer. Was able to get it from Copart thanks to Nikolai, my transporter. Good guy. Where you from, Nikolai?
China.
You look kind of Asian. No, where are you from? Eastern Europe? Ukraine? Okay. What you think about what's going on over there in Ukraine?
Oh, that sucks.
Sucks.
Russia wants to take us over.
Yeah.
We still fight. I
Yeah.
hope we're gonna win. I mean,
Yeah.
we just want those territory back. We don't want to go to Russia.
Right.
Just give us back and
leave you alone.
Putin moved his army out. One day it stops.
Right.
But
But yeah.
he still wants to take everything.
Yeah, man. I think because Ukraine got such a good relationship with the United States,
Yeah.
I think that's part of the problem.
Yeah. Right
Yeah.
now it's kind of short.
All right, family, we are in Orange Park, New Jersey. We came out here to eat at a place called Oko. We seen the reviews on TikTok. It's one of the only places we see that sell oxtails. So they got oxtail tacos, oxtails, whatever. They got oxtails, that's all I know. Oko, that's the name. I'm gonna go ahead and see what these oxtails are like. All right, family, we leaving Oko. They was getting a little too turned up in there. We got to walk around Manhattan, and they was trying to get us to drink too much. But it's a 10 out of 10. It's a black business. Everybody was nice, and I recommend it to anybody. Oxtails was delicious. So we finna hit Manhattan, see what New York about. All right, we are in Hoboken, New Jersey. We're about to catch the subway or the Port Authority across to Times Square. And Hoboken is kind of busy itself. But we're gonna try to get across here to New York. And we'll keep y'all posted when we get on the other side. Say that again.
Oh, Pat, you'll take the Pat train.
33rd.
6th Avenue, Herald Square, Pat train.
Okay. Alright, guys. We're on the subway. Headed to New York. It's our first time. See y'all on the other side.
It's drawing your
Alright, guys, we are on the New York side. We just got off on 33rd Street off the New Jersey path, and we finna head up here to 33rd Street in New York City, guys. Alright, guys, we are in New York City, 32nd Street. So we gotta go this way to go to Times Square. I think it's like 50th Street. So yeah. So we're in New York, guys. Street vendors, people walking everywhere. Hustle and bustle of New York. My wife holding on to my arm, you know, she's a country girl.
Wow. I just don't want to get lost in the hustle and bustle.
But we're here, guys, New York City. And we headed down to Times Square. I think it's on 52nd.
I know, I'm starting to get out.
Say it. Why can't you only see me? Like,
We're on Times Square, yeah. They're going to Macy's building where they had a parade there. Okay, I got to record. They're like, people get in.
Okay. We need to. He's coming down.
maybe there's gotta be.
Oh, that's a good song to be playing. Let me call it. Maybe one that's Ooh, somebody got that loud.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. The hustle and bustle is real for sure. I went there driving out here. And they standing in line waiting on
Line
pizza.
for. Oh,
Pizza.
wow.
That's the pizza place I was
Joe's
talking about.
Pizza, okay. It must be good. Just a long ass line.
For a slice of
For a
pizza.
slice of pizza,
Absolutely not.
she got a whole pizza. This time. You hear that? You hear New York? Yeah, Jay-Z everywhere. That's the theme song. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. I think Times Square is like between 42nd and 52nd. Yeah. Yeah. What up? We are in Times Square, New York, guys. We are here. Finally made it, guys. It's as crazy as they say it is. People everywhere. Big screens, flashing lights. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Mickey right here. They charge you about $30 for a picture.
Face off.
Man, you got Mickey Mouse. You got Elmo on every corner. They getting their hustle on. Yeah. Hey, no, we're good, we're good.
Chloe's mama is Jada.
Jada.
Uh-huh.
Alright guys, we are about to enter Central Park. In the history lesson guys, this used to be a black village called Seneca Village. Seneca Village. But they ran them out, created Central Park. Alright guys, we are at Central Park. About to go in and check it out. Yeah, well, not much that costs.
Yep. I'm gonna ask how much it is. My husband's thinking about taking me on a carriage ride. Let's see if that's gonna go through. I hope so.
How many people?
Just two to go
Guys,
around.
we go around the park. Give me tour. I show the map where we do.
How much? How much? How much?
Right, brother, right.
Right. Okay. 62 minutes. Okay.
The most popular one is like 40, 45.
45, yeah.
Park. We are right here. We go around the park. You know, ice skates, ring, carousel, lake, boathouse, Ghostbuster building, tavern, restaurant, Chips Meadow, baseball field, alcove, snowball fighting.
Dang.
On the park.
Okay,
Stop
wow.
the picture of the by the fountain. Also, well, pretty nice spot.
You paying?
You are. That's really nice.
Let me think about it. Yeah, let me think about it. Appreciate it, guys. 140 bucks, I'm good. What up, my guy? Hey, my guy. What you? Yeah,
Fino dobbiamo andare a
I'm
sinistra.
good. We're just gonna walk in here for a minute. I know it's a big park, but nah, I don't want to spend $140 on that.
Yeah, we still gotta get souvenirs.
Yeah. We're inside of Central Park right now. And as you can hear, my wife is in the background. She's making videos also. So guys, you want to come to Central Park, you can ride this horse and carriage. It's like $144 for 45 minutes. For 60 minutes, it's like $200. We decided to opt out because I didn't want to pay that. So we're just gonna walk in.
There might be a school. We're walking down them oxtails.
Yeah, walking them off.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, we
On
can
the
go
little
over
hill
there.
thing.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Oh, and they got a little food truck out here.
Yeah, man.
Like what you see on TV.
Yeah. We got swings.
Something for the kids to do. This is perfect to bring your little kids down.
Yeah, we got small kids. This is perfect. They got the swings. They got a park for the kids. Now I need to find a bathroom.
It's probably over there in that building.
Yeah.
This is perfect scenery outside the city. You can still see the city,
Yeah.
but it still feels like you're out in nature too.
History lesson, guys. Again, this used to be a black community called Seneca Village. Black community, guys, before they kicked them out and made it Central Park.
You want to walk around?
Just a history lesson. All right, guys, we're leaving out of Central Park. We ain't gonna get too deep. It's getting dark.
Josh,
We gotta get back to the subway. So we'll explore it next time we bring the kids. And maybe we can ride the horse and carriage around. But it's nice out here. Very nice. And you say bye to my guy. Bye my guy.
Çok iyi birisiydi ya. Ben seninle gideceğim dedi. Ben de senin...
Guys, we are leaving Bartley Dunn's pub. Pretty good. What do you think?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Headed back, guys. Getting late. Let's try to get back over to New Jersey. Gotta walk back through Times Square. And we will be out of here.
My IQ is huge. Never forget 7-Eleven. Good people don't go into government. Just buy it. I'm the smartest guy I know. Don't touch the hair. I'm gonna build a wall. Make America great again.
Times Square at night, guys. Let's go to Nathan's. What do you want to do? I'm not sharing no hot dog. I'm gonna go to Nathan's and get us a hot dog. Alright, we got Nathan's hot dogs. Our favorite hot dog because they're beef. We don't eat pork, so it's right on time. Yeah.
good. You see it? You don't like it. No. You still clap. Ladies and gentlemen, walk up, show your love, not your anger. What time is it? Now, everyone in front of Old Navy in Times Square, what time is it? Together like a family, everyone. What time is it? Let's party! Be quiet, you motorcycle. Don't worry, it gets way better. Everybody clap, everybody clap, everybody clap. Let's go. Everybody clap. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go. All around. Party. Party. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Our first number. Watch him. Oh yeah. Here we go. Wow. Giddy up, young man! Giddy up, young man! Show 'em what you got! 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 Nice, nice, nice! Oh, yeah! Here we go! We're watching you clapping! You're watching you clapping! Watch him! Hey! Let's do the real stuff. DJ, keep it going. Here we go. Oh, he's taking it off. Now, ladies, if your man can't do this, leave him. Yeah! Nice, 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 nice. Woo! There you go, there you go. Make some noise. Watch this guy, all the way from uptown, Oakville. Yeah! Here we go. Watch him. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh! A little bit of flavor. Here we go. Oakville! What's the deal? What's the deal? Nice, 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 nice. Woo! Make some noise!
Flashing light. Flashing light. Mr. and Mrs. Smith. at Macy's.
About to give me a Coach bag.
Yeah. But anyway, we're at Macy's in New York City, in Manhattan, where they have the Macy's Day Parade. I'm actually looking for a bathroom in here. But it's nice. Big. Very big.
You want me to go ask somebody?
Right guys. We're leaving. Subway, going back to Hoboken, New Jersey. Seeing Manhattan. How did you enjoy it, babe?
It was fun.
Alright, we headed back to New Jersey, guys. This is the end of our trip. See you tomorrow when we head back to Alabama.
Hoboken Journal Square.
Stand clear of the closing doors.